So today we are looking at this question, having x multiplied by 27 exponent x and is equal to 1. To solve for x. So with this, we know that we can divide both sides by x. So dividing both sides by x, we are having 27x is equal to 1 on x. Okay. So with this, multiply 1 on x with the exponent. Okay. So 1 on x exponent 1 on x. Okay. Then you know that this will cancel this. Okay. Let's take out this. So we have 27 is equal to 1 on x exponent 1 on x. Okay. Now 27 is the same as 3 exponent 3 is equal to 1 on x exponent 1 on x. Okay. So now we say that this expression is the same as this expression. Okay. So say that 3 will be the exponent. So we say that 3 is equal to 1 on x. Okay. So multiply both sides by x. So we are going to get 3x is equal to 1. Okay. Make x the subject here. So we have x is equal to 1 on 3. Okay. So this is our answer for x. Now let's check to see whether this answer satisfies the expression. So let's check. We're having x multiplied by 27 exponent x, which is equal to 1. Okay, so we are checking whether it is equal to 1. So now we add x to be 1 on 3 multiplied by 27 exponent 1 on 3 and should be equal to 1. Okay, now 1 on 3 multiplied by 27 can be expressed as 3 exponent 3 multiplied by 1 on 3. Okay, it should be equal to 1. Now this 3, take off this. So leaving 1 on 3 multiplied by 3, and this should be equal to 1. Okay. So half multiplied by 3 is the same as 3 on 3. It should be equal to 1. Okay. Now 3 goes into 7 and goes here 1. So we say that 1 is equal to 1. So indeed, x is equal to 1/3 satisfy this expression. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting questions. Bye.